Today we're going to be learning about the bystander effects. Please take out a piece of paper and write down the notes that you see on the board. The bystander effect is the tendency of any given bystander to be less likely to give aid if other bystanders are present.
Okay class, today we're going to be using a PowerPoint to show you what you need to do to prepare for your very first day of EDM310. First, you will need to form a Gmail account. Now, your Gmail account will be the most important thing for this class. Your bloggers through Google, your emails through Google, even the class blog is through Google. So this is very, very important. Now, I said email, it's called Gmail with Google. So, what you will need to do is check this every day. You'll get comments to your Gmail. You'll get responses. You'll get assignments to your Gmail. Very important stuff. Make sure you check this. You don't want to get behind. Now, through your Gmail, you will receive a survey. You will need to have this complete for the very first day of class. This survey is going to tell Dr. Strange all about you, what you know about technology, what are your favorite things you like to do, all this kind of stuff. I know, it sounds like it doesn't make sense at all, but he's going to compile it all for you, and it's going to be great. You're going to get to measure your progress because you'll have a midterm and a final just like this. The very last thing you'll need to do is create and check your class blog. Now, the class blog is very, very important. You'll receive your assignments from there. You can go from a calendar that he set up and everything. Additional assignments will also be posted on the class blog. Now, this is something I suggest checking at least 3 times a day. Everyone's always on their computer, and so is Dr. Strange. So remember, check all of these things and make sure you have them complete, and you'll be prepared for your very first day of EDM310.
My name is Angelica Scott, and with the help of Mr. Smith's 3rd grade class from Orchard Elementary School, we are going to learn about data and bar graphs. So, who can tell me what data is? William.
Information, something that tells information that was collected.
Very good. Okay, so I want y'all to look at this chart, and this chart has a key that tells you that teachers are blue, dentists are yellow, nurses are red, doctors are green, and lawyers are purple. So this chart is information about what students want to be when they grow up. So to read this chart, for a teacher, you would come and find the blue, and then you would come across and find the number, 121. So 121 students want to be teachers. Then for a dentist, dentist is yellow. So you'd come down to yellow, come across, and 79 students want to be dentists. Then the same thing for a nurse, come across red to 130. The same thing for a doctor, green, 105. And the same thing for a lawyer, purple, 85. Okay? So, on this one it says, what career was the most common? So the most common, we're looking for the highest number. So we look here and we see 121. And we go across, and 121 is blue. And so we look over here, and blue is teacher. So we would push C for teacher.
More about blogging, particularly how to add a new post to our blog. So first, go ahead and log into your blogs. Now, in the right-hand corner, click on New Post. For this new post, I want your title to be About Me. Just like your title, inside of your subject box, I want you to write 2 or 3 sentences about yourself. When you're finished, all you have to do next is click Publish Post. And voila! We've created a new post on our blog. Now, this post allows us to not only view each other's blogs, but for outsiders to view our blog. That's our lesson for today. Have a good class.